For many extreme kayak anglers across the world, the blue marlin is considered the holy grail. And if that's so, then perhaps a sailfish would be the middleman. On this episode of Next Level Fishing, we head to the Extreme Kayak Fishing Series, where the tournament continues to be at question as the weather continues to worsen. The grand finale would still be a go, and one of us get a sailfish in some gnarly conditions. What makes this trip so worth it, even though we're coming from halfway across Texas, it's a different feeling. It's a big stage, you're going up against the best and everybody knows it. But at the same time, the camaraderie is just second to none. This is what keeps me wanting to come back. This is my second time and I've got a group of 3 other guys, so there's 4 of us. And it would just be sweet to bring home something back to Texas. Extreme is known for its shotgun start, giving kayak anglers the opportunity to load up on live bait next to a chase boat. Today the conditions will not allow that, so anglers have no choice but to rally behind each other to punch through the surf. The Sailfish Smackdown is all about the numbers. Land the most fish, land the bigger paycheck. And the first few hours are critical for anglers to establish the first fish, which will break any tie in the event that 2 anglers have the same amount of fish towards the end of the tournament.
Audio! Woo!
Anglers are allowed a 15-foot leader accompanied by a circle hook and 2 bait options. Gogs or pilchards. When an angler finally hooks up on a fish, he or she is required to radio in the chase boats to document the time of landing, photos, and videography. But of course, it's just day 1, and most anglers right now simply just need to find the fish.
king, it got off!
After day one, only one angler has scored a sailfish. With time exhausting, anglers begin to make their way back home to battle the start in the opposite direction. The tournament is wide open. Day 2 becomes the most critical part of this 2-day event, and the weather isn't getting any better. When the environment doesn't look good, there's no need to ask an angler how he feels. All you gotta do is look into his eyes. The problem isn't so much the breakers, it's what lies after that that has anglers concerned. Of the several chase boats available, only one is a go, which not only activates the tournament, but also warns anglers of the conditions that lie ahead.
Rudder down.
Due to the state of the storm and only showing signs of worsening, anglers must be back before noon, giving them only 3 to 4 hours to make something happen.
He got it!
Robinson Rodriguez has put himself on the board, one sailfish away from the lead.
919.
Moments later, with an hour left in the tournament, a Texas angler has found himself full steam ahead.
I saw him jump 3 times. I know it's a sail.
The leader is close, and all that Erik has to do is touch it to secure 3rd place.
Leader! Got leader! Got a short
Flip him over. There you go. Yeah. Hell yeah, son.
Finally caught my own line.
Everything is strapped down. The surf is crazy. It's windy as hell out here.